That guy was in his tidy whities. He was just straight underwear. That was interesting. We made it. This is Goshen Pass. The river is right through those trees. We actually, we were just alongside it a second ago. I'm gonna pull off. Looks like the GPS is saying a half a mile. Yeah, and just check it out. Go away, GPS. See, there's the river right there. Look at that. Wow. Woo! Alright, so now we just need to find a nice cool pull off. Wow. Look at this, man. This Virginia just continues to surprise me, I swear. All the rocks and everything on either side. You got the tree canopy overhead. This is so, so cool. Alright, so we're going to listen to Terry. I guess he's been through here a couple times. He said there's a really good spot up here to take photos. And that's what we're looking for right now. It's a nice spot for some pictures. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yep. Glad I listened to him. Wow. That's a long way down. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Just check it out, guys. You got all the bikes lined up. We got my 848, of course, FZ07, R6, CBR 1000 RR, a Honda. Which one? This? Oh, CB500. Okay. The Ducati ST4, which was one of my older vlogs. BMW R6, CBR 250, got a Harley Fat Bobber, and another Harley, which I don't know which one that is. Not bad, and this ride's only halfway. Man, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. Oh, this is nice. And you got the beautiful river right there. Nice twisties, nice tree canopy. So we are now, we're gonna head out to Goshen. And it's a town. So we're gonna get some gas and we're gonna get like just a quick little snack or something. Like, I need something to eat. I haven't eaten all day. I haven't eaten since last night. And then we're gonna head north up to 250, and then we just take 250 all the way back. Oh, this is nice. Wow. This is so pretty. But I was like, oh, it's like the Kank. No, this is way, way better. Like I said in one of my other vlogs, the Kank is so overrated. It just really is. But it's like the only nice, it's really one of the only nice roads up in New England. I mean, unless you're going way north, you know, Vermont and stuff like that. I wish I had known about this sooner. I really, I knew about it, but I didn't like know about it. Like somebody was like, oh hey, you should go riding out here, out in Goshen. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, sure. But, and you know, just the distance was always something that deterred me. You know, it's just about almost a 2-hour ride. But oh man, I wish I'd come sooner, because I would have come out here and I would have went swimming and everything like that. Like, it's so beautiful. I swear, guys, every time I go and explore a new area of Virginia, of like Central Virginia, the coast is kind of crap, but Central Virginia, I just fall more and more in love with this state. You know, and I almost caught that. And I'm from Massachusetts, born and raised in Massachusetts. I lived there like the majority of my life. And I just moved to Virginia this year, and let me tell you, it's just so beautiful out here, and it's so quiet, and this is exactly what I like. I mean, I love the woods, I love the, you know, the nice twisty roads. I like, you know, quieter towns and, you know, mom and pop shops and all that stuff. I'm not into the whole city thing. Like, hey, I'll go in the city every once in a while, and that's cool, that's fun, but like, this is what I like. So we're about 30 miles away from the West Virginia border. The West Virginia border is to my left, 30 miles that way. We are actually heading up north right now, where we're gonna hop on 250 and head east, ride all the way back to Charlottesville. A little past the halfway mark of this trip. We got about 2 hours left, I want to say. We did have about half the group split off. We stopped at a gas station and filled up and stuff, and that was kind of like a fork in the road, like, hey, you know, if you go right, it's like an hour short. You go left, you're gonna add an hour on. I'm on the left. We decided to go the longer route because that was what was originally planned. I'm really happy about this trip. This was definitely a very solid ride. We're not even done yet, but so far it's been absolutely amazing. Goshen Pass was amazing. Just the ride there was crazy, the roads and everything, and just so beautiful and smooth. This road's kind of a little bit on the rougher side, but it's nice because there's very little traffic on it, so it's a little give and take. And it's absolutely gorgeous, of course, because it's Virginia. It's Central Virginia, I should say, Central Virginia. The road finally smoothed out about halfway through, and it's just nice and smooth. I mean, that's beautiful, but look at that. That is way more beautiful. But we got a beautiful, freshly paved road. Nobody on it except for us. Very minimal traffic, and beautiful sights. Just, oh man, this is just unreal. Maybe if I get enough money, I'll just buy 2 houses. I'll get 1 house in Massachusetts so I can, you know, be home, and then my more permanent house will be in Virginia, because Virginia is a lot prettier and nicer than Massachusetts. If I didn't have friends and family and I didn't grow up in Massachusetts, I wouldn't really care. But that's the thing, is, you know, it's where you're from. You know, it's not, I mean, some people don't like where they're from. I really like where I'm from, but I don't know if I'd want to live there. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. I just wish there wasn't so much like gravel and other stuff. Like there's like crab apples and like dirt and all this stuff all over the road, like that right there. It's just making this it's really sketchy to navigate. Like I would like to be going, you know, a little bit faster through this, but I've come around a couple bends and just been hitting gravel. Like I almost low-sided a little earlier. This is a pretty decent road as far as Massachusetts standards, but for down here, this is really not that great of a road, which is kind of disappointing. Ooh. They like took out the whole, that's so cool. You get the river right there, or stream, whatever you want to call it. Huge rock face. It's so cool. This is really cool out here. I really like this a lot. Oh, yeah! Alright guys, so we are now on 250 heading east back to Charlottesville. It's about an hour and a half ride, and the nice thing about 250 way out here is that it's very twisty. Very, very twisty. Like, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The last 45 minutes are going to kind of stink because, you know, 250 kind of straightens out from there, and it's pretty bland ride from there, but I'm going to enjoy this part, that's for sure. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, what is that? What is this? Ah! That was ridiculous. The road was so warped. What? Oh, I am so glad I did this. I am so glad I did this. Oh. Now I know why people are like, oh, you gotta do like 250 out west, like way west. This is so cool. Look at that beautiful view. Oh, don't get distracted with the view. Focus on the road. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Well, this This is like, if you look up Twisty Road on Google Images, that's what pops up as this. This is so cool. Wow, that was awesome. Woo! Ooh, that was a big backfire. Waiting for the 250. Come on, 250. Baby wheelies. So we have somebody that it's his first riding season. He's got a little CBR 250. It's awesome, the red, white, and blue. Like, such a cool looking bike. But he's in the back of the pack. Nothing wrong with that though. I just told him before the ride, I said, hey man, like, ride to your comfort level. Like, we're not gonna take off without you. Like, we might get ahead, but we're always gonna slow down and, you know, let you catch back up. Was that? Ooh. How we doing? Oh yeah. Since he was asking me to get some footage of how low he goes. Oh, he's getting there. He's getting pretty low. Go. He's lucky. He has brand new tires on his. He has the same he had the same tires I did, and but he just got Bridgestones. I forget what kind they are, but I think they're super grippy. Me, I'm about on my last leg with my tires. Ooh. I am butchering these turns right now. This is just so crazy. These turns are ridiculous. Well, everybody, the sun's going down. It's, you know, the 250's starting to straighten out. I'm getting a little more tired. Coming up on the end of the, coming up towards the end of the ride. So, just gonna do the closing. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you guys being patient with the vlogs. I know that it's, for me, it's really frustrating that I'm only able to post like every, you know, 3 to 4 weeks. But unfortunately, you know, I'm out of the country right now. Well, when you see this video, I will be out of the country. Obviously, I'm not out of the country right now. But this is a message for the future law, the future. And I really wish that I could post these, you know, more frequently, but it's just I'm not in the country anymore, and I don't have my bike. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys that, you know, that watch and follow me and that really like and enjoy my videos, and it means a lot to me that you guys really find them entertaining. But with that sappiness, we're going to close it out right now, guys. Thank you all so very much for watching. And if you like what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more future vlogs with me, my Ducati, and many other bikes, as you saw today. So, thank you all again, and as always, guys, ride safe.